Alright, welcome to this video. This Karcheckz vehicle inspections on this pre-purchase inspection for this 2011 Toyota 4Runner. All systems are okay. We have no trouble codes. No problems found. Vehicle currently has 121,645 miles. Looks like the Toyota dealership just did a service on it. Alright, just performed a battery test. The battery is 100%. Battery looks brand new. Engine looks clean inside as far as I can tell. Brake fluid looks good. Engine oil is fresh. Coolant's good in pink. Steering reservoir fluid looks good. There's the air filter. It's Toyota factory filter. Brand new. Belt looks good. Looks like this one's missing one clip here, one here, and one here. So there's just 3 of them missing. Here's the bottom. Looks good and dry under here. I don't see any leaks. Spare tire looks brand new. Well, never been used anyway. Plugs look good. Spare needs some air. Alright, one recommendation I have is to do the drain and fill on the rear differential. It appears that this fluid is most likely original because these bolts don't look like they've been taken off, at least that I can tell, and if they have, it'd been a long time ago. So I recommend the rear differential, front differential service, transfer case service, and a transmission service, which would be preventative maintenance. Something that could be required around the mileage the vehicle is, just hasn't been done yet. There's the transfer case bolts. They are originally placed. That would be a drain and fill, same process. And there's the transmission drain and fills. And there's the front differential. This cover would have to come off to access it. Other than that, wow, this is a nice one. I can't say anything bad about it. Really good shape for a 2011. Only thing I have noticed is the front windshield does have some paint chips. Lots of small ones. This one has a little crack going on. So the only thing I really see is the windshield that's got little cracked stone chips in it from highway driving. Probably got behind somebody. But other than that, that's all I can find wrong with it. And it's not even that bad. There's the inside view of that small one. That one could possibly spread, but it doesn't have that yet. I don't see any of them that are spreading. Alright, well there's that video. Hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching.